I'm going to walk you down here to one of my favorite spots. Oh, good morning, guys. Just out for a walk here at Crossbuckle Homestead. And I just wanted to show you the changes that have been happening around here in the last week or so. You can see around me that most of the leaves have fallen, and it's really easy to see through the woods now. Not next weekend, but the weekend after that is going to be the start of deer season. And I can see why they start deer season then, because you'll actually be able to see the deer through the woods, through the trees. But let's walk this way. I'm going to walk you down here to one of my favorite spots. It has this really cool dead tree with all these really nicely spaced out limbs, and it's too bad that it's no longer with us, because I think it would have been a really majestic tree. It's very majestic even though it's dead. So I'll show you that. This is that tree. It's just, it'd be interesting to know what kind of tree it was when it was alive. But it was so large that it created this clearing underneath. So it was always a wide open space here, which is one of the reasons I liked it so much. That tree again from the other angle. If anyone has any ideas about what that tree is, definitely let us know. So this morning, remember I said that it was going to be, well, it's deer season, but it's with rifle. Rifle deer season starts in a couple weeks. And my husband was out, and he found this little tree that we have in our clearing that clearly has evidence of a buck rubbing its antlers on it. That's one of the signs that hunters look for to tell where the deer have been and where they will be again. And unfortunately, he picked this little sapling. I don't know if it's going to make it much past this year, but he's definitely been rubbing his antlers on it. So it's kind of a neat sign. On our trail camera, we have seen quite, I think 2 different bucks. A younger buck and then, a 4 or 5 point buck. So just wanted to share that with you.